Talofa lava, malole soifua. My name is Nusila Fa'amanatu Etewati. I come from the villages of Samusua Leipata and Vaingasa Tupaitea in Savai'i. So I carry the last name Etewati from the villages of Salailua in Savai'i, Manono, and Ti'avea. I'm currently in Samoa on sabbatical leave from Victoria University, completing my PhD in education. I've been a lecturer for education here at the National University of Samoa for over 10 years. Victoria University is the only university in New Zealand that offers a major in Samoan studies. And with the growing number of Pacifica population in Aotearoa, in particular Samoans, it is so important to know your language, to know your culture, to know your fa'asinomanga, where you come from, regardless of where in the world you may be. I feel that it's been great coming back to NUS, and it's a great opportunity also to reconnect with teaching and researching back in Samoa. As an educator, you've got to keep up to date with what's happening around so that you can inform students about the changes, about things that are related to their learning. I also have passion towards working with young people, embracing student diversity and experiences they bring into the classroom. My greatest inspiration are my parents. Both my parents are retired teachers. I come from a family of teachers. 3 of my siblings are also teachers. Knowing and understanding my own values as a Samoan is quite important to me in the job, like the values of fa'aloalo. And you don't just expect students to respect you. You've got to respect them also. You've got to have a lot of patience and tolerance. One famous educator once said, educating the minds without educating the hearts is no education at all. So I think you've got to instill those values in them.